What's up, happy people? Today is Friday, March 17. The time is already 1 in New York. So, yes, today we're going to trade SPY. Please, guys, trading is risky. Any type of trading, Forex, Bitcoin, crypto, bond, futures, options, stocks, any type of digital thing, whatever you guys do it on online trading, okay, it's all risky. Please consult your financial advisor or a broker, whoever you take your advice from. This video is made for education purpose only. Please, whatever I say in this video is my suggestions. It's not for you to take it, okay? If you want to take it, that's fine, but you're taking it on your own risk. So please, let's trade. Let's see if we can make some money. The goal is to make $500, and S&P is already down so far. Okay, Tesla is also down. Let's just check something. Microsoft is kind of looking good to me. So yes, they are trying to put a bandage on the banking industry, guys. So let's see what they're going to do. This week is very risky. Tomorrow, next week will be also very risky. So let's get in. Let's see if we can chop the market. Let's try to become a Bruce Lee in the market, basically. If you don't become a Bruce Lee, then the market will going to become a Bruce Lee for you. You know, it's like a who beats whom, basically. I suggest you to become a Bruce Lee. Let's buy Tesla, guys. Let's buy Tesla. Usual suspect, you know. Holding Tesla so far. 20 options, guys. Up $20, just $20, guys. Options are not moving that good for Tesla. Check something else. Let's just buy SPY, guys. Up $70. Up $100. Slowly, guys, slowly, you know, because I've seen other things like sliding down. So take it easy, you know. Fight like a Bruce Lee, but think and watch. But sometimes you cannot take too long to make the decision. Meta is looking good to me, but now I'm watching whether the this are working according. Looks like, but there's a big gap though. There's a spread in there, which I don't like it, guys. Spread, I don't like it. It's too big. I still bought 5 option in Meta, guys. But 10. Or $15, but it's not moving the way I wanted to move. It's just like S&P came down. Look for Tesla. Okay, Tesla is good, but the thing, like, if you get into the wrong side of it, guys, you will gonna burn yourself out very, very quickly, no doubt about it. Because it's killing you very, very quickly. That's what it is. You see, I'm holding 25 option. I'm losing $140. All my profit is just gone for Tesla immediately. Just like that, I'm losing $200, $270, guys, on Tesla. You see that? Sold up $695, guys, on Tesla. The last trade was up $695. I made Tesla $580, guys. Very good trade, very, very good trade. But you guys saw how fast I was losing money, whatever I made on the S&P and on other trades, basically. But you see that, right? So very, very quickly I was able to make $580 on call option in Tesla. That basically, this move made me very good money, and I already finished up my target, guys. Yes, less than what, 10 minutes I was able to make like $695. So which is very, very great, you know. Again, ROI, ROT. I put money in the risk, but how long? Less than 10 minutes. But I was able to recover my money, you know, from the risk, and I gained $695, which is not bad at all, guys. You know, this is how trading is been done. It's risky, but if you know how to trade, this vehicle is very, very good, no doubt about it. But if you know how to ride this vehicle, it's great. Seriously, if you don't know how to ride this vehicle, this will be like accidents after accidents after accidents for you guys. Okay, so yeah, please, trading is risky. Again, consult to your broker or financial advisor before you trade. Before you trade, you should always do paper trading. Okay, so get your vehicle ready, you know, by doing the virtual paper trading vehicle. That's what I like, a plate on your, not with your real money, played with the fake money, and see how good you can drive this vehicle. Okay, guys, and yes, let's see how the other things are shaping up today, because this is really good setup, no doubt. This is a very good setup, but I don't want to trade anymore because I have already made my mark. I can trade more, no doubt, but I don't want to, because again, guys, keeping myself in the market, that means I'm exposing myself more. The more exposure, more risk. That's what I call it. Less trade, less in trading exposure. That means is your winning is like you keeping that money for long period of time. That's what I can tell you. Going and making that extra sometime money, you lose money. So less exposure is more better. Okay, less exposure, trade less. That's what I can say. Trade less. that is very good. So yes, ROI, ROT, return on investment, return on time, less than 10 minutes, 695. So not bad, not bad at all. So yes, Janet Yellen and other banks are basically uh, losing. I mean, like they're failing. The other bank also filed for show some losses, some billions of dollars, and now they have to bail them out in order to give some insurance for the public. Otherwise, people will going to move their money out from the banking industry, no doubt. And the other day, I saw the Bitcoin was up too. I have no fear about the Bitcoin. Bitcoin will going to go to $80,000, no doubt. Slowly, money will going to move towards the digital currency, no doubt about it. Digital currency, okay. And right now, the Bitcoin was like going with the market. If the Bitcoin is up, the market is up. The market is up, Bitcoin is up. The market is down, Bitcoin is down. So there are so many so far. What do you call it? ETF about bitcoins in the market. So that's the reason the Bitcoin is up, the market is up, the Bitcoin is up. So those ETF are the one who are like moving, and there are a lot of hedge fund. They have already bought their money into Bitcoin and all. So BTC and BIO something in the QQQ sector, power shares basically. So they have a ETF in Bitcoin and a lot of things in the Bitcoin. Okay, so that's the reason the Bitcoin. But my point is, at some point, if the S&P decided to come down, the Bitcoin will going to repel the S&P 500, and will going to take off, because that's what will going to happen, because people will going to slowly will going to move their money into the Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin will going to go to 80 to like 100, 110, 120. That's 80 is my target basically. Not today, not in 6 months, probably in a year or 2 years or 3 years. Okay, that's the target, no doubt. But that's the Bitcoin target. When Bitcoin comes to that level, that's the time I'm pretty much sure the Fed will go and take control on it and try to bring some digital dollar, whatever I've been talking about the other day, again, and that will going to come up, no doubt about it. Some type of a digital currency for US to use it, and in order to bring back the control. They don't want to give the control to somebody else. They don't want to give the control to somebody else. So again, US is the one who write the rules for most of the countries, so everything is done by the dollar. So be very careful. Whatever I say is just for education purpose only, okay, just to let you guys know. So US will not going to give their power of the dollar, and they'll try to do something. They'll, like they are doing it right now about the banks. They'll put a bandage. They're going to heal the bank, no doubt, and they're going to make the economy moving, no doubt about it. Okay, so it's not like they will going to stop. If they stop, this S&P will going to come crashing down, no doubt, because all the investors will going to move into the shorts. Basically, they're going to sell the market. So they know very well what they are doing, but all the things have been done very secretly, very secretly. So nobody knows what's going behind the scene. We are just I'm just projecting this is will going to happen. They have to put a bandage on, otherwise the S&P will going to come crashing, no doubt. So it's very important for them to put a bandage to keep this economy going. And so if the Trump gets elected and all for the next election, I can see the market will going to repop up again, like making a new high. Okay, it's not because I like Trump or I hate Trump. No, just the market has a repeating pattern. Okay, that's what it is. Market always does the repeating things. Going to come back, test those lows, test the highs. That's what it's like, repeating things every time. So last time when the Trump got elected, it went off. This time if the Trump's get elected, President Trump get elected, we're going to take off also. And later on, after a year or something, let's see if they sell it. That's how it is. So if he gets elected this time, he has a very good chance, no doubt. But because Biden is uh, uh, is is showing some weakness, but the market is not showing that much of weakness. But because that's the reason, if the Trump get elected, the market will going to shoot up because the economy is not that bad, and the Biden is not doing that bad. I'm not saying that he's doing bad or he did good. Okay, he's not doing that bad. So the economy is the one which shows a lot of strength. If the Trump get elected, he will going to bring some business, no doubt. He's a businessman. So but other things will going to get here and there, you guys know, but it's like a very good show, basically. So that's what it is. I don't want to get into politics side, but that's what the market will going to do. That's what my entire point about it was not about the politics, whether the Biden did good or Biden did bad. I don't care what the Biden does. I don't care what the Trump does. Okay, but I just care about the S&P does. That's my point. Okay, what am I saying is that's what I'm saying. I don't care about who goes to the White House, who comes out of the White House. I care less about those things. Okay, just to let you guys know, I care less who becomes a president. I care less, and I care less about today market is up and tomorrow the market is down also. I care less about these things because guess what, I'm a guy who goes and fight in the market, make my money, get out. I don't want to watch the market later on what happened next. You understand? Who gets killed and who stays in the money and who makes a lot of money. I don't care. What I care is about my money. My money. Am I making money or am I losing money? That's what I care. So that's what you need to care also. It really doesn't matter who gets elected. In the market, it's like a sky is the limit. On the market, the sky is the limit for you to make money. Yes, that's what it is. Okay, so yeah, Trump get elected, it will going to help a little bit, no doubt. The market will going to go up because those investors, when Trump got elected, they took the market on the roof. I remember very well. So that's the reason, and in the market there are a lot of things repeat. That's what it is. So yes, that's what I mean to say. That was my point. Okay, I'm not supporting for Trump and I'm not supporting for Biden either. So all right guys, I don't want to take too much long time about this today. Things are looking good. If you guys make money, if you guys lose money, please let me know. Comment below. Please like and share my video. If you guys like what I did, please share it with your friends, and let them know. If somebody wants to learn about trading, please email me as swisscapitalgain@gmail.com. Email me, send me an email if you have question about anything, or if you're like a little bit like some people, they like to call me. Some of my personal friend, they call me, but some people like to email. They don't have my number and I don't want to give my number either. So you can email me and I'm going to reply you back. I'll let you know if you have an interest, what you should do, what you should not do. I can guide you. That's what it is. It's like a very good way of learning, because a lot of time you know something which I don't know, I know something which you don't know. That's what it is. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. Alright guys, I'm gonna close my session. You guys have a good one. Please stay peace and blessing always for you guys. Okay, stay blessed. Bye.